Hi friends! Welcome back sa channel! Kumain kami sa Yakiniku King sa Ibina and gusto namin kayong isama sa experience namin. If mahilig kayo sa DIY grilling and unlimited food, then you're gonna love this place. Super cozy ng vibe dito. Perfect siya for family dinner or kahit bonding time with friends. Each table may sariling grill kaya talagang authentic ang Yakiniku experience. Meron silang all-you-can-eat courses na pwede mong pagpilian. Yung pinaka-popular na course is 3,980 yen per adult. Unlimited na meat, veggies, and side dishes for 100 minutes. May cheaper options din starting at 2,980 yen. And if gusto mo naman ng premium experience, may course din sila for 5,980 yen. Good news din sa mga may kids kasi may discount sila. Super daling mag-order dito. May tablet sa bawat table, so all you have to do is scroll through the menu, tap, and then maghihintay ka lang. Freshly prepared yung food and dadalhin agad sa table mo. Plus, pwede kang mag-order as many times as you want within the time limit. Hassle-free. Siyempre, ang bida dito yung meat. Sobrang daming choices from juicy kalbi, wagyu beef, pork, and even chicken. And the quality, A+ talaga. Masarap din yung pag ikaw mismo yung nag-grill kasi talagang swak sa taste mo. Pwedeng rare, pwedeng well done. Plus, ang sarap din ng mga dipping sauces nila. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga side dishes, hindi rin kayo mabibitin. May kimchi, fresh salads, rice, and soup. Sakto siyang pag-balance sa richness ng grilled meat. Favorite namin yung spicy kimchi nila. Sobrang perfect with the meat. Para naman sa mga vegetarian o gusto mag-light meal, no worries. Marami rin silang veggies na pwedeng i-grill like mushrooms, corn, and peppers. Pampagaan ng meal after all that meat. Now, for 100 minutes na all you can eat, sobrang worth yung price. Mura na considering sa quality ng food. Just make sure to keep an eye sa time kasi may countdown timer sa tablet para ma-manage mo yung orders mo. For us, sakto lang yung 100 minutes para ma-enjoy ng husto. After all that, syempre, huwag kalimutan mag-dessert. Meron silang ice creams and refreshing drinks to finish your meal on a sweet note. Tinry namin yung vanilla soft serve and grabe, perfect siya after all the grilled food. All in all, super enjoying experience namin dito sa Yakiniku King. Mabilis yung service, fresh yung food, and nasaya talaga ng grilling your own meat experience. Highly recommended namin to if naghahanap kayo ng sulit na Yakiniku place for family or special occasions. Thanks for joining us. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe para sa more Japan adventures. Kita-kits ulit next time!